Hey guys, it is time for a tour of my beauty room. And I really need to do this tour because soon it will not be my beauty room anymore. This is changing into my daughter's room. So let's get started. This is actually supposed to be a dining room. It's right off of my kitchen. A lot of mess there. And behind those curtains is the porch, basically the doors that lead out to the porch. But I've made this space pretty useful. It has everything. It has a bed. I made up that closet with the curtains. There's a little desk. All my beauty supplies, all my clothes. It has everything in it. So first, as you enter the room, here are my golden shelves, which are from my other apartment. And then tucked in this corner are these racks where I keep a bunch of lipsticks and nail polishes. Really great use of this little corner here. And then at the bottom, I have like my camera stand, basically storage that is long stuff. So I can just put it here in the corner. Definitely made use of vertical space in a small space like this. Up there are my eyeshadow palettes. Here's a little close-up. These are some of my indie palettes, Alter Ego, Gourmand Girls. Then we have some Natasha Denona. Coming down here, I have some of my bags. That Beauty and the Beast bag. I think that's Kate Spade. It's my little treasure. I love it. We have some plants in here. This is my perfume collection happening here. A lot of Dossier perfumes that I collected during 40% sale. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't really use most of them. Here's a little Nest collection. Got this Touchland. This stuff I actually use. And I enjoy using it because they actually smell really good. We have this Tom Ford body shimmer thing. And then I also love to collect Seven Virtues perfumes. Have some hand creams here, hand creams. These are the new Nomad palettes that I did a review on already. And we have some glasses container. And just random creams and skincare. Some deodorant from Salt and Stone and body washes. I wanted to try out some like luxury body washes. And so I got these sets. They're minis or like smaller sets. The deodorants are also minis. Then at the bottom I have some extra jewelry, some extra perfume. Here's my bow collection. I go through phases. So I had a little bow phase. So I ended up with a lot of bows. Got some shoes here at the bottom. Then to the right I have these clear containers for just extra socks and scrunchies and some camera equipment, a random bag. This is face lotion from CeraVe that I use every day, and this Eco gel that I use whenever I wear my hair curly. Here on my vanity, which is just a desk with a mirror, it's not attached to the desk. It's not hanging on the wall. It's just there. And this is the stuff that I use every day. There's like makeup in here, my everyday makeup. A lot of lippies. Some concealers in here. Some lip liners. Eyeliners. My contact solution stuff. I've added plants in here, which I think gives it an interesting touch to a beauty room. I love the plants. This is a towel, like a hand towel hanging thing that I use to put my necklaces, which works out really well. Then I have some butterfly stickers and these cute battery charged lamps. I got them from Amazon and they're remote controlled. So you can't really see much. I'm gonna increase the light. I'm trying to increase the light. Okay. Same kind of setup on this side where I have the eyeshadow palettes up there. We have Sigma, then I have ABH. In this bag, I have like hair dryer and stuff like that, curling irons, basically devices. Then here I have some more palettes. Then I have all of my belts rolled up into this container. Some of my lipsticks, all the little mini perfumes. A plant. This one's doing really well. All of my brushes and another little perfume tray. Another plant, all of my small sample perfumes in the back, and then some extra Victoria's Secrets set that I got on sale, and I haven't even used one of them. And then this is a makeup briefcase. At the bottom, I have shoes, my camera that I film videos with. I'm filming with my phone today. A bag here that I haven't used. Sorry about like some of the dust. I haven't really gotten a chance to clean it. And in this little corner, I have a keyboard that my brother gave me when I was 18. So it's like 24 years ago. It still works. And I got this hanging rod from Amazon. So I have my gowns and some fancy clothes here. It just looks so pretty. I also got the curtains from Amazon. I'll leave the links down below. Hopefully I remember. Another plant desk from Amazon as well. Pretty simple. I don't like buying bulky furniture because I'm constantly changing my mind. For example, this was the beauty room and now it's going to be my daughter's room. So I am glad that I don't spend too much money on furniture. But yeah, I put a little shower curtain rod at the top so that I can make a little closet here. Not a little, it's pretty big. Again, trying to use the vertical space in a small space works, even though I have to climb on a step stool to get some of these clothes. But then I have all this space at the bottom where I can put more stuff. Versus if I had put the rod lower, then I wouldn't be able to make use of the space as much unless I put a shelf up there. And I don't want to have to deal with putting up a shelf. But I put this wallpaper here myself as well. This is Peel and Stick from Amazon. And it came with those butterfly stickers, which I placed all over the walls. I love it. This is a really cozy beauty room slash bedroom slash office. It's everything and it works. On this side of the bed, another hanging thing where I hang my clothes. These are my work clothes. Literally, this is all. Pretty much wear all these clothes, rotate them, wear them every single week. And in the closet that I made over here are clothes that I'll use sometimes or dresses that need to be hung like and need more space versus here is smaller clothes. And then rest of my clothes are in this 3 drawers, like pajamas and undergarments and stuff. And behind that door is the kitchen. And I've made a jewelry station here. All this stuff from Amazon to hang like more dainty necklaces. I went to this new gallery and got this poster from there, The Woman in Gold. This thing is great to hang bracelets, and this one is perfect for earrings. And I love being able to see my stuff. And I think I've mentioned that before, even with makeup, I want to be able to see it so that I can make the decision to choose what I want. And it works out great, especially for jewelry. And it's inexpensive. It's not a big, chunky jewelry organizing thing. And I can easily move it to my other room when I move this beauty room out of here. Artwork. This one is from Ross, the Gustav Klimt. And then this one is from Goodwill, I think. And the Stay Home one is also from Goodwill. This hand one is from Spirit Halloween. Pillowcase is all from Amazon. And so is this golden bed. And at the bottom, someone gave me this. It's like a under the bed drawer. This has all the extra makeup that I normally don't use. My entire Nomad eyeshadow palette collection. There's ColourPop in here. It's basically a bunch of makeup that I don't need to use and I don't need to display. All my foundations, nail stuff, hair stuff. This is a great way to store stuff. And this is it. This is my beauty room, my bedroom, my office, my everything. And it is just so cozy. I absolutely love it. And I think I might miss it when I'm in the other room, but I'll probably pretty much replicate most of this, except that the other room actually has a closet. So it won't have this much stuff outside, but I am looking forward to starting over in another room. And I think I'll maybe declutter stuff before I move. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned as I take you through how I set up the new room. And when I'm done, let me know which room do you think is better. Or maybe I shouldn't ask that, because once I move over into the new room, that's gonna be the room. Thank you. Bye.